I was looking for a Christmas gift for my mother-in-law when I found this online, and I thought it could be a life-changing gift. So I ordered this from eBay. I will leave a link in the description box if you are interested. And this is Spark Joy Marie Kondo book. This book sold millions and millions of copies. Marie Kondo is a Japanese organizing consultant and author. Her books were translated to Chinese, to Korean, to English, to French, to Arabic, to all over the world because she inspired many people to declutter and to start organizing their homes. So I thought this could be a very suitable gift for someone who's passionate about organizing and decluttering, someone who's looking for a minimalist lifestyle, or someone who wants to start organizing and decluttering. So I started thinking how to wrap the gift, and I wanted to use a minimalist approach. So to wrap the gift, I used one color paper. I cut it to the size of the book, and I made a simple basic wrap. And I usually, when someone gives me a gift, I keep the ribbon if I like it. So I have this folder where I have lots of ribbons. So I chose this plastic rope, and I used some accessories, which is usually used in making accessories like necklace or bracelet. And I put it in this rope, and the rope was not long enough, so I had to extend it with another piece. And voila! Here is the book wrapped in a minimalist style. I hope this video is inspiring, and please give it a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe in the channel if you still didn't. And if you have a gift or a kit for us to open, don't forget to contact us.